Hi everyone, my name is Genevieve and I'm joined with Dr. So from Respiratory Medicine.
Hi everyone, how are we doing?
I'm a bit tired today.
Oh dear.
Yeah.
Why is that so?
My mom has been snoring non-stop for many months already and I haven't been getting good sleep because of that.
Snoring is when there's some obstruction to the airflow, and when there's obstruction to the airflow, that causes vibration sound. This is the snoring sound that all of us are quite familiar with. In a sense, it's like a continuation of the snoring problem. When the obstruction gets to a certain degree, that the upper airway collapses, and this can cause many health consequences. I would definitely encourage your mom to seek help. She should be assessed by a doctor, and depending on the symptoms, she may be referred to a sleep specialist. And over here at our sleep clinic, we do evaluations for the patients based on the clinical examination and further history taking. At the end of the day, obstructive sleep apnea will require some form of sleep study, formal sleep study to diagnose the problem. Having a strong family history, being of the male gender, being of the bit more elderly age group are also risk factors. But obesity still remains of the biggest risk factor. The first-line therapy is this device that's called continuous positive airway pressure. This device helps to relieve the blockage in the breathing by using a low pressure setting. This will maintain the airway, keep the upper airway open, and this will allow airflow to flow through and will allow normal breathing throughout sleep.
Is it the one that looks like a snorkel?
Something like that, but because of advances in development over the years, does not look as scary as a snorkel anymore. It comes in various shapes and sizes, the mask is much smaller. Yes, we do have other alternatives to CPAP therapy, but that remains a first-line treatment. So other alternatives may be suitable for various patients, and it's best discussed with your sleep specialist.
Thank you for sharing, Dr. So. I've learned a lot.
It's my pleasure.
And we'll see you in the next episode of Ask the Specialist. Bye!
Bye.